Morning, Matthias.
Good morning.
How you doing?
Great, thank you. And you?
Fantastic. What a wonderful time to be alive, eh?
That's it. Life is only one.
Do you know something? I'm sleeping so little at this moment in time because I'm so pumped about what we're doing. Yeah, it's absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. Love my job. It's brilliant, beautiful, right? Oh wait, if you're just joining us, we come live at 8 o'clock every morning, Monday to Friday, for the London session to help you with your trading, educate you, business planning, anything that you need in terms of where you are on your trading journey. Come and join us, come and help us, and help yourself become a better trader. So never trade. So always trade for yourself, never by yourself, right? So trading by yourself is difficult at the best of times. You know, you just sat there on your own, looking at the charts or whatever else you're doing. Even if you're following a signal provider, it's just on Telegram and stuff. There's none of this going on, right? So if you enjoy this, you know, this is what our show's for. So Matthias, what's your take on the market? What is it doing at this moment in time? What's gold doing?
So a big drop again. We thought that will push up and is retracing. At least it's still on that range. 44. As you can see, we start 44.96 and came back to 44.55. It's a huge range there. But let's see what brings to us today. I was using the machine learning. We had plenty of sell signals. Plenty of sell signals.
We had a good day yesterday. A few people said it was too fast.
They will need to go. They will need to go to the 50 minutes, half an hour. If it's too fast for them, they will need in order to refresh on the 5 minutes. They need to refresh that on 50 minutes and half an hour.
Yeah. Some days it's not an easy market, but the other thing is that you don't have to trade every day.
No,
that's number one, right? So you don't have to. It's not compulsory that you trade every day. Number one. Number two is once you met if you have a business plan and you actually meet those targets, go and enjoy the rest of your day. But it's very addictive. I understand that because I'm the same. The days when I should go home, I don't. But that's how things are. So, so we'll begin. I'll put the chart up. So we'll always begin with a day chart. That's where every business begins. So the day, I'll expand it out a little bit for you guys. So the day's been selling. So yesterday's buying day was almost cancelled out. That wick is all the way up there. So when we started at some point, that was about to cover it. Then it came all the way down. As Matthias said, it's been coming down. It's eased up a little bit now. So this is the range that it's in, 45.50, 45.70, etc. Sorry, 44.60, 45. That's kind of where it's at. So that central point is about 4,500, I guess. The range has been 45.55 to 44. Sorry, 44.55 to 44.95. So that's one of the narrowest ranges that I've seen for a little while now in terms of the movement since the market opened in Sydney last night. So it's about 40, about 400 pips. That's about it. That used to be the daily average, but it's no longer the case. So we open up with the hour and see what the what the day's been doing. Then I usually go to the hour, and the last couple of hours have been buying. So London's obviously opened just now as our session opens. So that was Europe. So Asia was selling, Europe has started buying. We'll see what the day brings. And then we go to the 5 minutes and the 1 minute. Okay, see what we're doing there. And that again seems to be on the up in terms of the last 20-30 minutes that it's buying. So what we do is we follow. Morning, Petra, how are you? Lovely to have you here. So what we normally do is we follow two signal providers that we are members with, or teams that are part of our team. Both of those signals come out on Telegram. One's a machine learning system that we use. So it's fully automated. It's an algo that it takes account of lots of data points, lots of history to give us indications, probability-based indications as to where the market's going. Your account's always yours. That's for you to trade. We're not investment advisors. We're not fund managers. We don't do any of that. TWK is essentially a technology and an education business. Yeah, so this is the education part. And our motto is that, sorry, just a message come through from one of our traders, is that you trade for yourself but never buy yourself, right? So our idea here by doing this is to provide something that's quite unique in the market, that we're live trading, we're trading our own accounts. Mateus trades, I trade. We take the trades, we walk you through the trade as to what's going on. And then we try and provide some perspective on strategy, what you should be doing, that this can be a bigger thing than just having a little dabble, that this can be a proper profession for you. And that's what I'm seeking to do. So if you want to come in for an hour or so and trade, come and trade with us. If you want to come and trade and become a full-time trader, then you've got 4 hours here with us every day apart from Friday afternoon that you can come and trade. And we'll break down the signals, we break down the sentiment, we look at the market, we provide some education for you. So let's, without further ado, it's 8:07. I'm going to push the button for these. So the machine learning signals, you can actually pull down anytime you like. So 8:07 is not a great time. So every 5 minutes is usually 8:05, 8:10, 8:15. And then we have one that's you can use, whether it's every 15 minutes, every 30 minutes, or every hour. So depending on your trading style, what you want to do. Mateus and I use 5 minutes because we're greedy so-and-sos and we like things moving fast. So on the 5 minutes, I wouldn't take this signal. Please don't do anything. So it's a sell, 70% confidence, 79% overall score, 78 out of 100 machine learning score. But I'm not going to take that because we only work on the 5 minutes. 5 minutes means it's 8:10 is when we take the next look at what's going on there. So we're using the machine learning this morning, not our manual trading system, with a very capable manual trader and the team behind it sits. You can use either of those or you can use both of them. It's completely up to you as to what you do with that. It's your business at the end of the day, right? So nobody gets to dictate that. So part of the reason you do this for yourself is not to be told what to do, I guess. Mateus, how are you?
Great. Just waiting for the next minute to refresh again.
Mateus gets very excited when he presses the button, and it does something to him, doesn't it, Mateus?
It does, yeah. Let me bring that.
He gets all excited.
Okay, that's here.
Any questions you got? If you're joining us, where you're joining from, say good morning. It'd be great to know a little bit about you, what brings you here, and our subscriber base is expanding, really nice. There's over 300 people now in that community that we've got, which is really, really good. We're really enjoying that, helping as many people as we can for financial education, just to be able to learn about money and how it works and the effect that it has on us, and because it affects us all. Doesn't matter whether it's good, bad, and different. It affects every one of our lives. And then how the government does affects our lives, because if the government buggers up, the interest rates go up, that affects us all. So when people say I'm not interested in politics, it always quite surprises me. That they're not, because it affects your life.
You need to be. As you can see, we had a strong signal to sell. Wait for the range, the right range now, because it's going up. Wait a little bit more and then get on the range. It's between 69 and 71. Stop loss at 73. TP1 66, then 64, 62, 59, 56. That's the range. Like I said, the candle is going up. Wait a little bit. Go on the range and put your stop loss. Okay? If it's too fast for you, 5 minutes, if you are on our group, you have the probability, the power to do that, not the probability. You have the power to do the 50 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. If it's too fast, the 5 minutes, don't refresh every 5 minutes, refresh every 50 minutes or half an hour or 1 hour. Okay? Then you'll be getting a big range and you have more time to place your trade as well. Okay, we do the 5 minutes, we used to it. I like to scalp. That 5 minutes suits me, but needs to suits you as well. Okay, just do it if you really confident with the MetaTrader 5 and if you want to do the every 5 minutes.
So naturally, the market does correct itself, and it usually goes too far both sides. Usually gets over exuberant. So this is the day again. So we've had, we've had a lot of buying up there. So it's been all the way a couple of days ago. It was at 4,600, but it really hasn't climbed out of this range either. So it's just sitting there. Yesterday it went up to 45.41, which is the previous day. So you expect a little bit of pullback all the time. So it's been selling. So you expect a bit of buying as well, because it gets too cheap. People start buying. It's too expensive. People start cashing in, taking their profits. I think the central point is that it's always trying to get to 4,500 at this moment in time.
On the 5 minutes, I just realized I refreshed on the 50 minutes. As you can see, you need to be careful with that. You need to look on the top what you're refreshing as well. I had the same issue yesterday. I will stop to refresh 15 minutes or half an hour. I will keep refreshing only on the 5 minutes. Yeah.
So where it's got the symbol, it's got M5. So M15, M30, M1 hour. It's self-explanatory, really. So you just, like as Matteo says, just take a look at that. But you get all excited, don't you? I certainly do.
Yeah, because especially on the hour, I used to refresh on the 1 hour and half an hour and 50 minutes. I do that to see the big picture where the market is on that time frame. Then sometimes I forget to put the 5 minutes again, and it's still on that time frame. As you can see on the 5 minutes was a buy, on the 50 minutes was a sell. On the buy, we are nearly on TP1. If you did buy, please book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. And then let's refresh the right one now again on the 5 minutes to see where the market's going. I was surprised with the range. Then I looked at it and was because I was doing the 50 minutes. 5 minutes is still a buy, a strong buy, 67, 69, and stop loss 66.42, hard stop 62.98. Just be careful, is a candle is selling. The candle is selling now. Wait for the best range and go for it. It's on the range now, as you can see. Put your stop loss or your hard stop, whatever you want to put.
Matthias, I've just refreshed on my system. It's telling me it's a buy at 75%. Do you want to just try that? Make sure we're both aligned.
Refresh.
I was just messing around with it. Yeah.
It's a buy. It's a buy. Yeah.
It was a buy, was it? Okay.
Yeah. It's a buy because before I refreshed the 50 minutes, I was a sell.
Yeah.
But on the 5 minutes is a strong buy.
Yeah. 70%.
Yeah. You know what you need to do as soon as you're in profit, move your stop loss to break even. If comes back to your break even, you'll be out, but you'll be protect, not stop loss. Okay? The break even is to protect yourself. We are doing scalping. It's very fast. As soon as you can book profits and move your stop loss to break even, perfect.
Please do it.
And do that. If you can do that, keep doing that. If you can't, then go for the 50 minutes or half an hour.
The winner chicken dinner. Matthias, just go and talk to my contractors.
Yeah, perfect.
See you in about 5-10 minutes. Cheers.
As you can see, nearly on TP1 now. You know what you need to do. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay? You're supposed to be blue now. Enjoy the blues, but book your profits. I will remind you that it's a scalping strategy in and out. As soon as you're in profit, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, we are on TP1. Now, the rule is move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Don't leave the money there. If you book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, you have a risk-free trading. If that comes back now to your break even, it's fine. It's a break even, it's not a stop loss. But if it comes back to your stop loss or hard stop, then it's your fault, okay? Because you're not doing the right thing. As you can see now, price is retracing all the way down. That took you on your break even. Great. Break even, not stop loss. Okay, and if you book your profits, perfect. As you can see, all the way to stop loss. Stop loss on that one. If you didn't book your profits, I'm telling you, it's crucial for you to book your profits all the time, okay? You don't want to be out on these trades when you have like already the profits on the table. And be patient for your entry as well. As you can see, if we are buying and the candle is getting down, just wait for the best entry, okay? Just wait for the best entry. It's going down again, 63. That can reach even your stop loss if you haven't done the right thing. The right thing is book your profits and move your stop loss where? To your break even, your entry point. As you can see on the 5 minutes, it's a sell now. It's a sell between 63, 65. That's I'm telling you, that can change very quick on the scalping strategy. 61 is the TP1, and 66 and 69 stop loss and hard stop. Okay, as you can see, it's very easy to change from sell to buy on the scalping strategy. That's why you don't want to keep holding trades. Okay, if you like to hold trades, you need to go on the 50 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. especially on the 1 hour. Okay, then you can hold the trades there. If you want to be scalper, in, out, stop loss, and break even. Okay. That sell was not too strong, but it's just to advise you that is changing the direction. Okay, 5 minutes scalping will be having those things, changing the direction very fast. You need to be prepared for that. The best thing on machine learning, if you're doing the 5 minutes, we will be able to refresh again on the next 2 minutes. Okay, the next 2 minutes will be a new probability, and you'll be able to refresh again and go for it. If you took that last trade, I hope you're booking profits now. We went all the way to the top of the range and it's coming down from nearly 65 to 62 now. TP1 is there. And book your profits, okay? And move your stop loss to break even. We'll be able to refresh now again. Another 15 seconds and we will generate a new trading card. And let's see what the trading card is telling us. There's a lot of information there, but you need to focus on the information on the top. It's a sell, but not a strong sell. If you want to go for it, if you refresh, just make sure you put your stop loss straight away. Okay, as you can see, the candle is going up. Wait a little bit for the best range. If you want to enter, absolutely up to you. I had plenty of yellows and less than 65 going to TP3, TP4, TP5s. That means if you want to enter, just be mindful of that and book your profits, okay? Always. Even when it's green, you need to approach on the same way. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. The first thing you need to do is put your stop loss. You press the button, put your stop loss. As soon as you're in profit, book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. And keep doing that over and over. That is TP1 already. The last trading card was not too strong, like I said, but most of them, they are going to TP1, TP2, and sometimes even big TPs like TP 405. Okay. The only thing you need to approach is the same way. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit and book your profits. The reason I'm telling you that, because the signal before that we had before was a sell as well. Can is back.
Another investor for my gold strategy system.
Well done.
Yeah. How did that trade go? It came back again?
TP3. Like I said,
wow.
we refresh again. The things that I'm seeing on the trading cards, on the machine learning, sometimes you will see a signal, one trading card that is not too strong, but some of them, they are going to TP3, TP4, TP5. The only thing you need to do is approach on the same way. Put your stop loss, press the button, put your stop loss, and move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. And then you can leave it or book your profits straight away. TP1, TP2, TP3. As you can see, that last one, we went nearly to TP4. And the trading card was not that strong, but because the previous trading card was so strong on the sell, that helps you as well. Okay.
Matthias, I'm a man that's multitasking. I actually put a message on my YouTube channel chat. How good is that?
I can see that. Yeah. Looks like you're using another account for that. It's not the Trading with Cam.
I would have it. Well, it's good, isn't it, that we can see that? So let's see what that's all about. Because I was looking at my photo, I thought that's not that photo.
Yeah. We need to check that later on.
Yeah.
Let's see. Okay. Look, we'll be able to refresh again. Look, I'm telling you, advice here. Sometimes we having sellings trading cards. The trading card, previous trading card from that one was very strong. And the next one was not that strong. And even though I told you, you can go for it, but just use the same strategy. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit and book your profits. As you can see, that went nearly TP4 already, nearly TP4. Don't underestimate the selling when you have a big sell before that, okay? Even if the signal is not too strong, the trading card is not too strong, don't underestimate that. We are going to TP5 on that one. Just approach with the same strategy, always, okay?
So has that come back below the range? What's it doing there? So the hour is coming lower.
It's still a strong sell.
Yep.
It's still a strong sell. You're on the range. You can double check. I will not update the numbers. It's very difficult to see the numbers. Are confusing some people. Just updating what we are seeing on the screen. You are on the range. The candle is going up. What you need to do, wait for the best entry. I'm on the 5 minutes. Candle went up, went to the best entry. Good morning, Ian.
Morning, Ian. How you doing? Hope you're well.
Let's go for it. Mechanical approach. You know the range. The candle was green. Going up. You wait for the best entry. If you enter, you put your stop loss straight away. Protect your capital. Then now will be only one thing. We'll go to stop loss, or you will book your profits. Okay. As you can see, if you enter on the best entry, the stop loss will be very tiny, 10 pips, sometimes 20 pips, but that is the range of the stop loss on the scalping. But on the other hand, you can make like more pips if you wait for TP2s, TP3s. Risk reward is very good on that strategy. You just need to approach the market all the time the same way. Okay. By the way, I think so we went to TP5 on the last one. TP5.
So it's clearly ranging. You can see it there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so may just do that. Just wanted to see, I think it's NFP on Friday, ISM today. So yeah, it'd be NFP on Friday, which does move the market.
Yeah, that will move the markets for sure.
Yeah.
You have some news today. 1:15.
What's up today? A small stuff, isn't it? I don't think it's major.
Yeah, it's red folders anyway.
Yeah.
1:15 and 3 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
If you put your stop loss on that one, could be nearby your stop loss, but like I said, it's 10 pips, 20 pips if you are on the best entry. Okay. Then if you want hard stop, the hard stop is further away. Hard stop usually is 40 or 50 pips. It's more or less on that range as well.
Looks like it's retracing. Yeah,
it's retracing. Yeah. If you're waiting, if you see the green candle or red candle, if you're waiting for the right moment, you just go on the best entry. Okay. Use that best entry always. Let's refresh again in another 20 seconds. That went on the stop loss, the last one. 10, 20 pips.
Oh, that's fantastic, Ian. That's so good. Can't beat that, can you?
Amazing. Amazing.
Yeah, so good. So pleased for you.
Congratulations. Yeah. I'm not updating that one, was not too strong, But if you want, like I said, use the same approach, that can be easily another GP1, and it's going to GP1 already. That's GP1. If you took it, move your stop loss to break even as soon as you can. Then will be a risk-free trading, and then book your profits. In another 2 minutes, we'll be able to generate a new one. If you took the last one, you are on GP1 right now. Just need to book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Why we are doing that? To protect your capital, okay? Then you are at risk free if you're doing that.
One thing, guys, Ian, really appreciate the. Sorry, Matthias. Go on.
GP2.
Fantastic. I was going to say thank you for the feedback, guys. It's really heartwarming to learn that you're achieving success. So when that does happen, please put it up, send us a message, and it really pleases us, because the thing about this business is that it's not like any other business. You don't have to lose in order for us to make money, right? We can all win, and this is what it's all about: getting together and winning together, and working as a collective of people, right? And that's what it's all about. And that's what really pleases us. So it'd be great when you guys get the results. Really happy for you, but please share them. Yeah, nothing like it. So as we said, the market's the market. It does whatever it wants to do. But the thing is, you've got a track to run on now, haven't you? You've got a track to run on. You've got the signals. You've got the machine learning signals. We've put it all together. Yeah, it finally feels like we're together. And then we have the algorithmic trading system, the gold strategy that we trade. That was up 15% last month. Again, great strategies. System only trades like 4 or 5 days of the month. So most of the time just sits there. But it means that your money's not at risk. It's coming down this time.
It's coming down, yeah. That is GP2. You know what you need to do. Go for it. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. And now we will see. It's still a strong sell. It's still a strong sell. If you're on the trade, it's good for you. If you are at break even, you are in a good position now. If you want to place the new entry, you have the new entry already. You can refresh and see it. And you have the new entry as well, okay? The numbers are there. I'm not updating the numbers because some people got confused why we have different numbers and things like that. I try to put a straight numbers, because if I put all the pipettes, I will be talking and you don't have time to press the button. If you want to have that ability to refresh every 5 minutes and take all those trading cards, you know what you need to do. You reach out to Cam on that number, and you can be part of our free community if you scan the QR code. It's on the top right hand side. You just scan that QR code. If you are on YouTube or Facebook, LinkedIn, you'll be able to scan that QR code. If you're not, just reach out to Cam on that number. Let me see. At some point you will see, if you're on TikTok or Instagram, you will see that QR code at some point on the top hand side. We are on TP1 already. Nearly TP2. Yeah, TP2 already. Book your profits. We are on TP5 on the previous signal, previous trading card, and we are already on TP2 on the last refresh that we did. If you want to, you see the power. I'm telling you again, sometimes when you have the range and you have a powerful sell before and went to TP1 and that's it, and then you have another sell, it's not too strong, but it's still a sell, you can go for it, okay? If you're still on that pattern, you can go for it, because I saw, look, it's only the first hour, I saw 2 TP5s on signals that were not too strong, okay? But because we're selling and we are on that direction, you can go for it if you are on the right direction, okay? If you are selling before, very strong signal, very strong trading card, and you get another trading card selling, not too strong, the next one, you still can go for it, but just protect yourself. Do the same thing over and over. Put your stop loss straight away and put your BE as soon as you are in profit, and book your profits. Don't leave the money there. We scalping in, out, and that's it. And go for, look, as you can see now, the big retracement. If you didn't put your BE, what happened? Could be a stop loss for you on that one. Okay? It's very important for you to remember. Stop loss. As soon as in profit, book profits, BE. Stop loss. As soon as in profit, move your stop loss to break even. Okay? If you have that rule, if you have that mechanical approach, you'll be absolutely fine. But just keep doing the same thing over and over. If it's too fast for you, the 5 minutes, go to the 15 minutes, go to the half an hour, 1 hour. Okay? You don't need to be scalping. You can go slow as well. But you need to find what is right for you. For us, we love having that possibility to have every 5 minutes refresh. We take the most of it, but for some people it will be scary. We can understand that, okay? It's still a strong sell. You're still on that range. You know what to do. You press the button and you book the profit and move your stop loss to break even. And make sure you have your stop loss there. Stop loss is non-negotiable, and as you can see, the range is really narrow. If you lose, you will lose 10, 20 pips, but if you gain, like we have been gaining this morning, a lot of TP5s, you earning 50, 60, 70 pips. Okay, that's the power of it. We are nearly on TP1. And now you know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits.
Right. Got more contractors to talk to, Matthias. I'll see you in 5.
Don't worry. TP1. Just heads up, is TP1. That is the clue for you to book your profits. Don't leave the money there. Let me know in the comments how you're doing, guys. If you're booking your profits or not. If you want to join our community, if you're not there yet, just scan the QR code on the top, on the right top. TP2. Book those profits, please. We are on TP2 now. Your stop loss needs to be on break even at least, okay? Your stop loss now needs to be at break even. Why I'm telling you that is to protect yourself, okay? Scalping in and out. I will keep remind you that you book your profits and you go away. And as you can see, on the next 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh again and having another trading card. Don't need to keep chasing, okay? If you want to hold trades and stay longer, go for the half an hour, 1 hour. Then you'll be able to do that. But for now, make it simple. If you're doing the scalping, in and out. Don't keep chasing the same trading cards. Refresh again after 1 minute. After 2 minutes now. I'm just looking the time. As you can see, the price is coming back to the range where we were before. That's a break even for you, but you're supposed to have your GP2 there. You back your GP2 and then that's it. Okay, let's wait again another 1 minute and we will refresh. Let me know in the comments if you're booking those profits, guys, and if you're not, why you're not booking those profits. And you can type 1 or 2 or 3 on the chat if you are booking your profits or not. Or sometimes, why?
And if you're on YouTube, just put in the messages.
Yeah, it's just any comments will be help us to understand. And now in another 4 seconds, let's go for it. Let's refresh again. As you can see, it's still a strong sell. The candle is going up now. Just wait for the best range, enter, and put your stop loss, okay? Be patient, don't panic. Just wait for that retracement, place your trade, and put your stop loss.
You can also follow our manual trading system, which Ian's been following. So we have 2 different propositions for you. And it's kind of finding your happy medium, whichever one you want to use, or both. use both systems if that's what you want to do. Personally, that's hard, and it's a difficult one to manage. And sometimes that they're signaling in the opposite directions. But you could this is a classic now. You could be selling and making money here, and buying and making money, selling, making money, buying money, making money. So they're not wrong, just different philosophies. Of course, the machine learning has no emotion. It doesn't look at anything, just looks at facts and figures, thinks that the market's going to come down, thinks the probability is 69%. And if the probability is 69%, it won't put 70%. That's the probability, and that's where it's at. So that's what we're doing.
Can you see the power of waiting as well? Especially when the candle is green and we are selling, you need to wait for that best entry, okay? If you want the best entry, you can enter and put your stop loss straight away, because then you'll be only 10 or maximum 20 pips. At 10 pips is nothing. It's very low risk, okay? And don't keep chasing. If it's a stop loss, it's stop loss. 10 pips, refresh and go on the next one, okay? We still have another 2 minutes. We'll be able to do that. Less than 1 minute, we refresh again. Price came all the way to the top. Some of you will be 10 pips loss. If you put your hard stop, you'll be in profit. As you can see, it's still selling. That gives you the probability is there. You have the entry. The targets are there as well. Everything is there. You are in profit. You book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. That's TP1 already. It's going towards TP1. Few pips for TP1. Good morning, Adam. How are you doing? TP1. Moving stop loss to break even and book your profits. Scalping, we are in and out. Job done for myself. If you get used to it, it's so simple. Make that mechanical approach, and that's it.
Morning, Adam. Good to see you, buddy. If any of you haven't liked the video and subscribed to the channel, please do so. It's the only thing we ever ask you for. Our community is growing. Over 300 people now have subscribed, so I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. It's what gets us distribution. It's what gets us noticed. It's what gets YouTube to think this is relevant content that other people want to see it, and I think it deserves to be seen because we're really trailblazing in terms of what we're doing with the 2 signal providing services, the algorithmic trading, all on autopilot, and actually doing it live with you is something that we're very, very happy with and very proud of, that we're able to trade. And our own trading's improved immensely because we have the discipline. We sit here now for 2 hours. What's he doing? TP3? TP3, wow. Yeah, brilliant. Absolutely fantastic.
TP3.
You're hitting that every minute of every day. And if you're doing TP1s and 2s, right, it's like, yeah. It's like shelling these some days, isn't it?
It is, yeah. That looks like TP4 for me. Let's see if it breaks that range. As you can see on the 1 minute, is going further on the range. If you keep pushing, that will be TP4. And TP5 already on the previous cells. Less than 2 minutes now, we'll be able to refresh again and we'll have another trading card. That I'm telling you, you don't need to chase. Every 5 minutes, we can have a new trading card. Okay? Don't chase it. Be patient and book your profits.
So there's the hours. So come all the way down to here. Maybe further. Who knows?
Yeah, that will be TP5 if it comes down there on the hour. And TP6 and 7 in another ones. I hope you're holding some. Move your stop loss to break even and keep booking your profits. No, nearly TP4 now on the last trading card. Nearly TP4. Less than 1 minute, you'll be able to refresh again and get a new indication. Okay, less than 1 minute. Let's go for it. If you're not refreshing with us, you know what you need to do. Just reach out to Khan or scan that QR code. And you join our community. It's completely free, by the way. Let's go. 10 seconds. Let's see where the market is going now. That is TP4, by the way. TP4 already. It's still a sell. It's still a sell. You know the numbers. You know where to entry. It's still a sell. You can go for it.
Next hour's opened.
Put your stop loss. Press the button and go for it.
So conditions met. That's a great signal, that is.
It is.
When it says conditions met. Look at that.
That is the green line for you to go straight away for TP1, and you are on TP1 already. Book your profits, okay? Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. TP1. That is nearly TP5 on the previous trading card. Nearly TP5. We have plenty of TP5. If you hold your cells, you got at least 3 or 4 TP5s.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Look at the day now.
The day is dropping. We are on that, nearly on the bottom of yesterday.
Let me
Nearly.
take you back. Let me take you back.
Can you see the wick on the day?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Yeah.
We are back on the
here.
Yeah, on the previous day.
It. So,
not
just
from
here.
Yesterday.
Oh, sorry. Yes, there's one up there.
Yeah.
That's yesterday. So that
yeah,
was
we broke yesterday already. Guys, 1 hour we have been with you here and plenty of TPs. I really hope you learning the strategy, you booking your profits and moving your stop loss to break even. As you can see, if you haven't done now on the last one, you went to stop loss. That's I'm telling you, don't keep holding. Book your profits. As soon as you have the money there, book your profits. Scalping. If you want something is low, I understand. Go to refresh every 50 minutes, half an hour or 1 hour. If you want something is low. If that 5 minutes is too fast for you, if you just want something is low, go to the half an hour, 1 hour or 50 minutes. I completely understand, but if you're doing what we are telling you to do, you're supposed to be in a very good profit today. And I really hope most of you are, okay? Or at least 80% of you. If it's 20% struggle, we can have a conversation and we can support you, okay? But the aim of it, if it's for you to be booking profits. As you can see, in another less than 2 minutes, we'll be able to generate a new trading card. Machine learning is amazing. As you can see, it's delivering day after day without emotions, without any human interaction. It's just data and driven. It's AI. AI is taking over, guys. Use that on your power, okay? Let's see. As you can see, it's retracing strongly now. If you book your profits, amazing. If you're not, you're leaving the money there. Don't do that. Another 30 seconds and we generate a new trading card. Remember, we had a very strong sell before. If the sell is not strong now, but it's still a sell, don't think too much. Just press the button, okay? Because that's seeing that over and over. That can go to TP3, TP4, TP5. Especially if you had very strong before that. But the sell is still strong. The sell is still strong. You have the range. I'm refreshing on the 5 minutes. I'm refreshing on the 5 minutes with scalping, okay? Which one I'm using is the 5 minute standard. I hope so you book your TP1 already. I'm not doing that one. I still have runners. I'm just holding my runners now. That came straight away to TP1 already and came back to the range. TP1 again. If you didn't book the profits on the first one, you had another opportunity. Again, TP1. It's still going down.
So the hour's buying, but the wicks at both ends. So this is, I would call this a ranging market, but it's ranging downwards.
Another 2 minutes, we'll be able to refresh again. If you book your profits on the last one, great. If you're not, why are you waiting for?
Yes.
You're waiting for a stop loss or hard stop. Don't do that, okay? Don't do that to yourself. Remember the strategy: in and out, scalping. If you want something slow, go to the 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. We're back on the range. Less than 1 minute, and we'll be generating a new trading card. As you can see, the price went to the range again and went to TP1 again. 3 times or 4 times already on the same trading card. Another few seconds, I will generate another trading card. That's still going down. Refreshing.
So the
It's still a
hour's still
sell.
green. Yeah, the hour's still green, but it's going down for that moment. So the 5 minutes. So there you see it. That's a better view. The market is just coming down, 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 down. Obviously, it has retracements, which it does. Nothing. It won't just slip straight down, and it'll find a bottom somewhere and it'll start rising from there. We don't have no idea, but we don't really care either. So 18 minutes ago, gold falls as Iran-US hostilities push oil higher. Same thing. That's all it is. Just oil, 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 oil.
If you press the button without hesitation, the way you need to be doing mechanical, you're nearly on TP1. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, okay? That's a fast TP1. I hope so you're doing that. price is coming back to the range. Could be your break even if you already did the right thing. If you move your stop loss to break even and book your profits, you'll be out of it and wait for the next one. If you didn't, then you just need to learn that skill to move your stop loss to break even. As soon as we are in profit, book your profits, okay? Don't wait for stop loss or hard stop. We're scalping in and out.
There you go, Mateus. I got the right account.
I can hear you now. Yeah.
So did you lose me?
Yeah.
I said I got the right account now.
Let me see. Well done. Well done. Yeah, that is the one. Kanjo Hall official. $50.
Thank you very much. 5 more subscribers this morning. Really appreciate you guys finding the channel, enjoying it, nipping in, seeing what we're doing, and subscribing to us. You're obviously finding it useful because otherwise people don't subscribe. So subscriber base is going up beautifully now. I'm really, really happy with that because we want to share this as many people as possible. And if you've got friends that want to trade or do trade, just let them know. Send them a link. And then I'll even spell traders right next time. I was so excited at finding my own channel.
As you can see, the price came back all the way to the top of the range. And it's coming down again. And we will be able to refresh. And it's still a strong sell. You know what you need to do. See the range. The candle is going up. Wait for the best entry and go for it. Yeah. Be patient. As soon as you press the button to sell, put your stop loss. Okay. And then you just have 2 outcomes on that trade. As soon as you press the button, you can go to stop loss because you put your stop loss straight away, 10-20 pips range. And then the not outcome most of the time we have is book your profits. And you had the opportunity already. Let's go for TP1. If you're booking your profits now, move your stop loss to break even. That's TP1 already done. That was very strong signal. Remember, if the next one is not that strong, don't worry. It's still a good signal because we just had a very strong one now. Went to TP1 already. Book your profits. And approach the market all the time the same way, okay? Wait for that range, go for it, put your stop loss. And then the next step, booking profits and move your stop loss to break even. That is going already TP2. Let's see if it keeps dropping, will be TP2. If comebacks, needs to be on your break even. Okay, that will be your break even. You protect yourself. TP2 already. Now it's completely up to you. We are on that point. You can leave your stop loss at break even, book your profit, or you can close your trades. It's completely up to you. Let's do the same thing that you do all the time. Okay, make that mechanical approach.
I think it's interesting the message from Ian a few messages ago about the fact that he achieved 2% yesterday and he's 1.1% up today. You do need to have targets in place. You do need to have a goal that I want to do this much. Yes, by all means, if your target is 2% and you hit 2% at 9 o'clock in the morning, you've got another few hours. Yeah, go for it. Go and get another 1%. But don't do stupid targets because you'll overtrade and then you'll lose it all. The idea is to keep the money and keep building steadily. Have an account that builds and builds and builds and builds and builds. And over time, you'll have a meaningful sum of money. One of these days, we'll do a compound calculator thing, but the market's been fantastic that we can look at that 1.75% now for the day. Congratulations. Give me a round of applause, everybody. Come on. Well done. Well done.
That's for you, Ian. Just one sec. Well done.
And if you keep doing that, if you keep doing that, one day you'll have that 10,000, 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, £1 million account. Yeah, it will come. It will come. Yeah. And all you have to do is subscribe to this channel. That's all you have to do. Yeah. That's all you have to do. And then you can tell people that you did it with Callum Mateus, right? But this is building mentality, building mental muscle, right? Mental memories, doing what we do now, the patterns that we repeat, and the fact that this is the way we start taking trades, and this is how you take trades, and this is how you take every trade. Whatever you do once, do it again. Yeah, because you'll remember it and it'll stick. So the dollar's all conquering at the moment. Oil's all conquering, hence the gold price is coming down. Okay.
We're still selling, by the way.
Yeah.
It's still a strong sell, okay? Just be mindful that candle is going up. Be patient for the best entry. And then place your stop loss, okay? To protect yourself. You have the numbers there. If you don't have the numbers, you know what you need to do. Reach out to them. And that's number. Or scan the QR code. It's going down. We're nearly on GP1. If you have the best entry, you'll be in nice profits now. Just be mindful, move your stop loss to break even and book your profit as soon as you can. Nearly on GP1 already. We are on the bottom of that range. as you can see on the 1 minute. TP1, book your profits, guys. Let's see if we can break it. We can go to TP2, TP3, and so on so far. The way to protect yourself now is book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. With scalping, I will keep remind you that you don't need to keep waiting there, okay? For more profits. The greedy is not the way to trade. If you're being greedy, you'll be leaving money on the table and put yourself in a bad position, okay? Book your profits and move your stop loss. We are doing the 5 minutes refreshing, and it's going down. Okay, that is TP2 already. If you're still holding, that is going to the bottom now. Could be a potential TP3.
So this is what we're talking about? Yeah. 44.50, 44.49, maybe a little bit lower. So that's the next stop.
TP3 for me here now is around 48.
So does it go here? Does it go here? It's a lot of movement for a day, to be honest with you. There is a limit to what it will do. But when we opened up this morning, it only got about 50 pips overnight. So even now, 44.96, less than 500 pips, which is small for gold these days.
But as you can see, the trading cards today, selling 100% selling is just amazing to see. We are on the right direction. Again, another strong sell. It's still selling. Let me close the window. We have the bean collectors. That's nice. It's still a strong sell. You have the range. You have been there on the range already. And it's nearly TP1. You know what you need to do. If you're still holding the more trades, you know what you need to do now with that one, the last one. If you're on the best range, great for you. It's not at the top of the range yet. But it's still a strong sell, okay? That's the top of the range for me. Have your stop loss is retracing always. When you place the trades, have your stop loss straight away, okay? If you want to use the hard stop, you can see the hard stop there as well. But your stop loss is non-negotiable. You need to have that. That went straight away nearly TP1 and it's come back now for some of you on the stop loss. That's why you need to be mindful, booking your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Scalping in and out. As you can see, a big spike up. That can take all your profits if you didn't book it. And as you can see, we are getting on the bottom of the day as well. It could be a retracement up, or could be changing the direction like yesterday. Just be mindful of that. That's why you need your stop loss and your hard stop, okay? We'll refresh again and we'll be able to generate a new trading card in less than 1 minute. If you are doing the 50 minutes or half an hour, now will be the time for you to refresh again and do it. Huge retracement now. It's going all the top of the range again. Let's see. Still a sell for me. Not that strong, but still a sell. You have the range. If you want to go for it, you have the range. You just can press the button and go for it, okay? Put your stop loss. The market is retracing as well. Just be mindful of that. Put your stop loss always, okay? That's the first thing you do. That could come back all the way again if it's still respecting that range on the 1 minute. But if it breaks it, that will potentially go up. That's why you need to protect yourself, okay? Put your stop loss, put your hard stop, whatever you decide to do. And wait for that best entry. We're going towards the range now. You wait for that entry, then you can go for it. Still a fight there to see if we will break that or not. That's 57.58. The TP1 for me is 56. We're coming to the TP1. Okay, that's TP1. TP1 already on that one. Move your stop loss to break even. Book your profits. Okay, then will be a risk-free trading, scalping in and out. Okay, we are scalping. It's still dropping. Potential TP2 now. We nearby TP2. You're supposed to be risk-free already, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. Your stop loss should be at break even right now, okay? Move your stop loss to break even. And book your profits. Nearly TP2. And remember, in another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again and have a new trading card with a new entry points. We are doing that every 5 minutes. Every 5 minutes, we're generating a new trading card with a new entry point, new stop loss, new hard stop, and that helps you a lot as well. Then you don't have that keep chasing or anything like that. You learn how to book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. And the stop loss, if you wait for the best range, will be 10, 20 pip stops your stop loss. Okay, if you wait for the best entry. Price is retracing now. If you didn't book your profits, you know you're leaving money on the table there. Still a strong sell. It's still there. We nearly TP2 on the last one. And it's still a strong sell now. You have the range. It's dropping 57, 58 more or less. 56. Okay. You have your stop loss. You have your hard stop. If you press the button already, you know what you need to do. First thing is put your stop loss. And the second thing is booking your profits. We are going towards TP1 already. We're going towards TP1. Be ready to book some profits and moving your stop loss to break even, okay? Patience is the key. It's nearly there. Okay, booking your TP1 and moving your stop loss to break even. We are there now. Be fast. Don't overthink. Be fast, okay? As you can see, came to TP1, is retracing again. If you leave the money there, you think, oh, why I didn't close that? I'm asking the same questions. Why you didn't book the profits? We're talking with scalping, and you need to follow that, okay? If you don't have access to the trading cards, you're missing out. Please click on the QR code, join our community, or reach out today to come.
Also, Matthew, what's happening with Chris and Tarek with automating the signals?
Just meet yourself, Cam. It's coming back now, the price. The money was there on the table, guys. I hope so you booked it. And we'll be able to refresh again in less than 2 minutes. We will generate a new trading card, okay? Next 2 minutes, we'll be able to generate a new trading card. I just muted yourself before, Can you start?
I thought I'd muted myself. My apologies. I had some calls and things to return.
Don't worry.
Okay. More meetings.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Ian, well done. That's for you again.
Oh, brilliant.
You deserve it. Well done. As you can see, price is coming back to the range, but you're supposed to be on break even already, okay? Don't keep the money there. Don't keep chasing, because in less than 1 minute, guess what? We will be able to generate a new trading card, okay? Don't keep chasing. And especially in markets like today, some mornings are very quiet, and some mornings we are very active. We had plenty of signals on TPs 1s, 2s, 3s, some of TP5s as well. Have plenty today, okay? We're scalping. Scalping, and we are doing fantastic this morning. Let me refresh again. The next few seconds. And guys, guess what? We're still selling. We're still on that range. You can see the numbers there. I don't want to confuse anyone. If you're doing the 5 minutes, go for it. You're on that range. If the candle is still going up, wait a little bit, patient for the best entry, and go for it. And put your stop loss, okay? Stop loss, always. You press the button, you enter, you put your stop loss, then you prepare to book your profit and move your stop loss to break even. As soon as you move your stop loss to break even, you are completely trading free. That trading is not, you don't have risk at all anymore, okay? As you can see, I was telling you, if the price is going up on the candle, just wait for the best entry, because we are selling. Don't chase, be patient, and then you press the button, okay? Don't chase, then you press the button when you are right on the best entry. Right now we are nearby the best entry. That's a good time to enter if you want to enter, and move your stop loss, okay? Learn how to move your stop loss and put your stop loss for sure straight away. That will be less than 10 pips. The stop loss should be around that if you are on the best entry now, okay? If that is still going up, if you want to use your hard stop, absolutely fine. I'm using my stop loss. I like that 10, 20 pips stop loss. Then I have the chance to hold TP5s, TP4s, and 3s. So it's working for me. If it's still going up, some of you will be tiny stop loss, 10, 20 pips. If it comes down, you have your best entry. Okay, then you just book your profits. Right now it's doing that. Came nearby the stop loss and is coming down. Now you know what you need to do. You book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. But book your profits. Don't leave the money there, okay? Could retrace and get you out. You don't want that. Just 1 minute, guys. Have someone on the door. Just 2 minutes. Know what you need to do. Look, the price is retracing. Book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. Okay, don't leave the money there. Just dropping lots now. I'm doing that. I did it on my phone. Now I go. 2 minutes. I will be back. Hello again. I hope you book your profits. As you can see, price is retracing again. That's why it's important. We're scalping in and out. If you like that, amazing. If you don't like getting in and out straight away, use the another time frame. Use the 50 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. Okay, it's completely on your hands. If you do that, you'll be absolutely fine. Okay, if you book your profits and move your stop loss to break even, maybe you'll be at break even already. If you're still there, you still have the possibility to book more profits. The sell is still there. It's not strong like before, but the sell is still there. Okay, just to let you know, it's still selling, but it's not as strong like before. That is giving us time to see if it's changing direction. It's nearly finished the hour as well. As you can see, we have 15 minutes now to finish the hour, less than 15, 14 now. I hope so you're booking profits. We have had plenty of TP1s, TP2s, TP3s, a lot of TP5s today. I'm really, really happy with that. I'm really happy that the people on the call today is really achieving their targets. Like Ian today, 2% already. You can be even more if you start early today, because we had plenty of possibilities to generate your trading cards. Let me go to, if you are not on the Telegram group, you can scan the QR code on the top to join our free community on Telegram group. And if you want to be part of it, it's completely free. You just need to scan the QR code or reach out to Khan on that number. Okay. Hello, Khan. Welcome
Sorry,
back.
Matthias. All of a sudden, this flurry of calls and business that I need to deal with, and people want to invest, and people want to start trading, and all
That's
sorts of
amazing.
stuff. Yeah. How's the machine learning signals going?
We're just smashing it. We had more TPs.
Yeah.
We're still on the sell now, but it's not too strong. Could be a change. Also, the hour is finishing. That could be slowing down the sell as well. But we just wait for the next one. Look, in another minute and a half, we'll be able to refresh and get a new trading card.
Yeah, brilliant. Very rangy there on that 1 minute there. So we hit up a bit, and then it just started ranging.
Yeah.
So 5 minutes still red. The hours turned green. How many times is our going to change to red to green, red to green?
Yeah.
Interesting.
But yeah, it's just amazing. Look.
Yeah.
Seeing the results from the people on our group as well. The last comment from Ian is just
Fantastic.
amazing to see those things.
Yeah, absolutely.
And another 30 seconds, if you hold in there with us, I will be able to refresh and see what's going on. If it is a sell or a buy, if it's a strong sell, a strong buy. If it's neutral, we don't do anything. The only time I'm not doing anything is when it's neutral. It's still a strong sell. You have the range. If you don't have the range, it's because you don't have our trading cards, and you need to have that. Okay, it's completely free. You just need to open one account with our partner broker, and you'll be able to have that on your hands. And as you can see, the range is there. We went to the top of it, and we are booking profits. You know what to do now. Move your stop loss to break even as soon as you're in profit, and book your profits. Okay. You press the button, you put your stop loss, and then you have time to manage your trade. You have time to book your profits and to move your stop loss to break. With scalping, we are using the 5-minute scalping. If it's too fast for you, go for the 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. Okay? That's the only thing I can guide you through. If it's too fast, go to the 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. But as you can see, the possibilities on 5 minutes are amazing. We had plenty of sells. We are at TP1 again. TP1 again. Book your profits. It's going to TP2 straight away. That is going to TP2, TP2. Come on, guys. You know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Now it's breaking. Let's see if it breaks that, goes to 48, it will be TP3. If it breaks that, TP3, TP4, TP4.
Oh my God.
That is TP4, guys. Now it's TP4. It's straight away on the 1 minute candle, guys. I really hope you book those profits. Move your stop loss to break even and take those profits, please. Don't leave the money there. That can retrace as well. Remember,
it will retrace.
We're scalping.
Unless
in
unless
and
something
out.
amazing's happened, it will retrace.
That's 1 minute candle. You can see it in front of you on the graphic. That is amazing. By the way, when I refresh that, machine learning was 73%, 81, and 82. Very strong signal. Very strong trading card. We don't call that signal. That will be an insult because we have a lot of information there. It's not a normal trading group for signals. Okay, that is next level. And you can feel that. I hope so. You're feeling that this morning, the next level of it, because it's plenty of TP5s, plenty of TP3s. And the last one, we just went straight away, nearly TP5, few pips for TP5. What a way to finish the session.
Matthias, I've just got a meeting in with one of our clients for 10 o'clock in one of the groups.
Perfect.
Yeah, okay, so we'll have a conversation there, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Last 5 minutes, I will refresh again. 30 seconds, we'll be able to have a new trading card. Guys, can you see the power of it? Every 5 minutes, if you decide, you can have a new trading card.
It's fantastic. Unreal.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to shoot off. Just go and check with the contractors. I'll see you on the meeting at 10 o'clock. I'm going to open Zoom now.
Okay, perfect.
I'm going to open that meeting now, and then we can jump straight on that. Yeah, I've started that. Have you got a device that you can join in from? Or are you going to use one of those that run?
I'm sorry?
It's okay, don't worry.
Oh no, I can join another one. I understood now.
Yeah, I'll let you in then, you see. Then you can have the conversation straight away. We've got 5 minutes. But listen, it's been a fantastic, really exciting session, hasn't it? If you think about it. Lots and lots and lots of profit. Ian, I'd like to have a conversation with you sometime this afternoon, if that's okay. Just want to talk the two systems, how you're finding them, and whether you think it's a good idea for us to carry on with both or not, or do they cause confusion. So just want to look at that and see what your thoughts are on that. Would appreciate that. I'll see you guys all at 1 o'clock, and Matthias, I'll see you on the meeting.
Yeah, see you in a bit. And we're still selling. We're still selling, by the way. Okay, I refreshed that.
Bye.
We're still selling. The range is still there. I hope so. You really enjoyed the call today, guys. It was amazing to see all those results, all those TPs. And it's still, look, it's still not finished. We went to TP1 again TP1. It's dropping towards TP2. And days like today, it just reminds you, if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, you will have those results. You just need to be resilient and keep pressing the button and keep the strategy simple. That's scalping, in and out, okay? As soon as you enter, you are on the range, the best entry points. You book your you press the button, you put your stop loss. As soon as you're in profit, you green or blue, whatever you want to call that, green or blue, you move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Okay, that is the way to do that. Keep doing that over and over again. I will repeat again. You have the entry point, the best entry. You press the button, you entry. You put your stop loss straight away. Stop loss, no negotiable. You put your stop loss. As soon as you're in profit, you will book your profits and move your stop loss to break even. And remember, it's scalping. We are doing refreshing every 5 minutes. You can generating a new trading card. That means it's a lot of possibilities, but it's scalping. You need to be in and out. Okay, don't keep chasing. Don't keep using the same trading card. If you book your profits, wait for the next one. If the 5 minutes is too fast for you, you will be able to generate a new trading signal in 50 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. You can change your time frame as well. Okay, but if you stick with the 5 minutes, and if you're doing the strategy that we are teaching you every day, you will be absolutely fine. You will have amazing results. Okay, I hope so you can understand the power of it and you can go for it. Okay, share the results. If you're doing that every day, share the results with us. I will be happy to see results like Ian have been doing today. It's only 10 o'clock. He's already in 2% for today. Okay, that is the mindset, and he's out. You don't need to keep chasing the market. That's another point as well. If the cake is massive, you take your piece of cake and you go away. Okay, be thankful, be grateful for that, and that's it. You can go away straight away. We are on the end of the session now. I hope so you enjoy it, and I'm looking forward for the afternoon session, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. New York Open. We will be here with you again. Okay, bye for now and have a wonderful morning.